Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet. Today we're going to be making these super cute and easy ghost appliques. They work up really quickly and fun to make garland or decorate for Halloween. So to get started, you're going to need a size G 4.5 millimeter crochet hook and also some medium worsted weight yarn in white and black. To begin, we're going to chain 6, and single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and each chain to the end. And chain 1 and turn your work. 2 single crochet into the first stitch, single crochet into the next 3 stitches, and 2 single crochet into the last stitch, chain 1 and turn, single crochet into each stitch across, chain 1 and turn, 2 single crochet into the first stitch, single crochet into each of the next 5 stitches, and 2 single crochet into the last stitch, chain 1 and turn. And now we're going to be working the body of the ghost. You should have 9 stitches across. So for the body of the ghost, we're just going to single crochet into each stitch across for 5 rows. So we'll have a total of 9 rows before we begin the bottom edging of our ghost. So continue to work 5 more rows of single crochet, and I will meet you right back. So now we're going to chain 1 and turn your work, and single crochet into the first stitch, 3 double crochets into the next stitch, single crochet into the next 2 stitches, 3 double crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next 2 stitches, 3 double crochet into the next stitch, and single crochet into the last stitch. Now we're going to continue to evenly crochet around our ghost till we reach our first corner over here. This will create a nice edging on our ghost for a more finished look. You can crochet over that tail if you'd like. Okay, and then we're just going to slip stitch into the first stitch of our bottom edging there, and we're going to fasten off. Leave a long tail if you're sewing on your ghost onto your project. And there we have the body of the ghost, and now we're going to put on the eyes. So cut a long piece of black yarn, and we're going to put our eyes on. So I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to pull through the yarn, and it's going to be about 2 rows in the height, and I'm going to pull through twice. So we have our first eye, and I'm going to repeat that on the other side. And go through one more time. And you can do different variations with the mouth. You could leave it just like this with no mouth, or you can add a zigzag, or you can just simply do another mouth like the eyes. So for this purpose, I'm going to show you how to do the zigzag for this ghost. Okay, it's like a W. And again, I think working over 2 rows will make it the height that you want it to be. And then you can go ahead and fasten off on the back and weave in your ends, or if it's something you're attaching to a scarf or a blanket, or being used as an applique, you can simply just knot it on the back and trim your ends. And that's it. The final ghost measures about 3 by 3 inches and is just a fun, cute way to decorate for Halloween. So please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.